Today I'm going to share with you my favorite indicators for identifying support and resistance levels. Whether you are a day trader or a swing trader, knowing where these key levels are can make all the difference in your trading success. Let's get started. This indicator that I would like to show you is the VWAP, or Volume Weighted Average Price. It's an excellent indicator for day trading. To add the VWAP to your chart, click on the Indicators button up here, enter VWAP, and choose from the list. Notice how the price often bounces off the VWAP line. In this example, the VWAP acts as a dynamic support level, and you can see multiple instances where the price respects this level before continuing its trend. Support is a price level where a downtrend can pause due to a concentration of demand, whereas a resistance is a price level where an uptrend can pause due to a concentration of selling. The next indicator that I would like to share with you is called Support and Resistance Channel. This tool automatically plots support and resistance levels on your chart, making it easier to identify key levels. The Support and Resistance Channel draws horizontal lines representing support and resistance levels based on historical price action. In this example, you can see how the SR channel has plotted several horizontal lines that the price interacts with. These lines help you identify areas where the price is likely to bounce or reverse, providing excellent trade entry and exit points. To find this indicator, go to Indicators and enter SR channel and pick the very first one. Then we have support and resistance levels with breaks, a great indicator for swing trading. It not only plots support and resistance levels but also highlights when these levels are broken, which can signal potential trend changes. This indicator will show lines for support and resistance, and it will mark breaks. Here you can see how this indicator marks the support and resistance levels and also highlights when these levels are breached. This can be useful for spotting breakout trades or confirming trend reversals, just like this one here. To find this indicator, go to the Indicators tab and enter Support and Resistance Levels with breaks. It's this one here by LuxAlgo. Lastly, we have the Day Trading Booster indicator. This tool combines several elements including support and resistance levels to provide a clear trading signal. This indicator provides visual cues for potential buy and sell points based on support and resistance analysis. In this example, you can see how the Day Trading Booster marks potential support and resistance levels and suggests entry and exit points. This can be incredibly helpful for day traders looking for precise trade signals. As you can see here, the indicator shows a resistance at this price point, and indeed, the price bounced back. To find this indicator, simply go to the Indicators tab and enter Day Trading Booster by DGT. And there you have it. VWAP, SR channel, support and resistance levels with breaks, and the Day Trading Booster indicator are some of the best indicators for identifying support and resistance levels. Using these tools can greatly enhance your trading strategy and help you make better decisions. You can predict price movements, set stop losses, and plan your trades around these levels, entering positions near support and exiting near resistance, and optimizing your risk to reward ratio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, then go ahead and share it. Let me know in the comments which of these indicators you are already using. I value your time. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.